I don't know what I was thinking back in December, but I should have bought one of these things. It was only $99. I should have got one just to speculate on it. I'm talking about the Trump NFT cards. Trump cards, basically. And they were $99 back then. And now things have changed a little bit. They took a dive big time. You cannot buy these anymore directly from the Trump website, collecttrumpcards.com. You have to go and get them on the secondary market now. And the price has gone up quite a bit. According to ZY Crypto, Trump NFTs make resurgence as daily sales spike over 800% in 24 hours. 800%. So they're saying that Trump's NFT rises from the dead, with massive volumes soaring more than 800%. The rise in trading volumes resulted in the increase in price of the trading cards, with prices up almost 100%. And experts point to the news of former president's reinstatement on Twitter and Facebook as factors responsible for the surge. The NFTs, which depict former U.S. President Donald Trump as a superhero and a cowboy, have had a bumpy ride in the market since their launch on December 15th, 2022. And there's been a lot of bumpy rides for a lot of cryptos too, not just NFTs or Donald Trump's NFTs, by the way. And I think not only due to his reinstatement on Twitter and Facebook for reasons why the price is going up, but also crypto is going up right now. Bitcoin's up, Ethereum's up. It kind of goes all hand in hand. We could see some more spikes and some more dumps even on Donald Trump's NFTs. So let's look at this. So after several weeks of poor trading and slumping prices, the Trump's digital cards are now rebounding. Daily sales of NFTs are up 800% after volumes rose from 34,000 to over 306,000 last week. So that's almost 10x, 10 times the volumes. Trump launched his NFT collection of 45,000 digital trading cards minted on Polygon on December 15th, 2022. The cards, which depicted him as an astronaut, superhero, and cowboy, were worth $99 on first release, with each coming with a special perk like meeting and dining with the former president. Despite criticism from several quarters, the trading cards sold out within days before crashing in price and recording new low volumes. So the former U.S. Commander-in-Chief stated that he released the NFTs because they look super cute and he loves digital art. I have FOMO. I missed out, but I missed the boat. I'm not getting in. Too bad. I should have grabbed one though at $99. Now, here's something pretty interesting. CryptoSlam recorded 115 Trump NFT trades yesterday, January 21st, at an average price of $296 worth of Ethereum, compared to 704 NFT trades in just under 24 hours at an average of $490. Wow. Like I said, these things can go up, they can go down, but if crypto goes up, if Trump gets in the news for positive reasons, yeah, I do believe these things will go up. But the opposite is true too. Crypto decides to take a dump, you get bad headlines about Trump, and it happens at the same time, these will probably go down. But this is a speculative play. If you're a big Trump fan, you got in on this. If you love NFTs, you got in on this. If you like to speculate in crypto, you got in on this. So, like I said, I missed the boat. Yeah, I'm a little bit disgruntled, but it's going to be something interesting to watch because all eyes are going to be on this, especially in the coming year or two. All right, guys, and this is Financial Advice. Hit that like, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.